30 days ago, I made a promise on this channel. I gave myself 30 days to make my first affiliate marketing commission. I documented every single week honestly, the numbers, the failure, the small win, and everything in between. But I have to be honest with you about something before I get into the results. The video is late, and the reason it is late is because I got sick. A bad cough that knocked me completely out for several days. I could not film, I could not edit, I could not do anything except rest and wait to recover. And you know what? That is real life. That is what building affiliate marketing around a full-time job actually looks like. It is not always perfect. It is not always on schedule. Sometimes life gets in the way. And the only thing you can control is whether you get bad when it does. I got back up and today finally is day 30. My name is Francis. I work a full-time job. I am building affiliate marketing income on the side for the last 30 days plus a few extra days of being sit in bed. I documented this journey every single week on this channel. This is the final chapter. Let's get into it. Here is where I started 30 days ago so you can see exactly how far this channel has come. Day 1, 33 subscribers, 0 commissions, 0 affiliate link leads. Most of my videos get in under 50 views each, and a channel that YouTube had barely started to recognize. That was my starting point. A brand new channel, a full-time job, 0 results, and a 30-day deadline to change all of that. Now here is where I am today. Subscribers, I started with 33. Today I have 50 subscribers. That is 70 new real people who found my content and decided my journey was worth following over 30 days. Not a massive number, and every single one of them is a real person. Not a bot subscriber, not a friend I bet to click the button. Real people who found me through search and choose to stay. Total channel views across my old videos, 9.7 thousand views. Nearly 10,000 people have watched my content. 10,000 views on a channel that started with almost nothing in 30 days ago. That number genuinely surprised me when I saw it. And it surprised me even more when I realized that a significant chunk of those views came in during the week I was lying in bed sick, meaning the content I already uploaded keep working for me even when I physically could not. That is the power of YouTube that I keep talking about in my videos. And seeing it happen in real time during my own sickness made me feel completely real for the first time. And here's my affiliate dashboard. Did I make my first commission in 30 days? No, I did not make a sale. But and this is the part that actually excites me. I got real affiliate link lead. Real people clicked my link. They went to the sale page. They consider buying. And that tells me something critically important. The trust is being built. The audience is responding. The content is working. The sales are coming. They just have not arrived yet. I want to talk about the sickness for a moment because I think it actually taught me something more valuable than anything I planned to cover in this video. When I got sick, I panicked. I thought this is going to ruin everything. I'm going to miss my day 30 deadline. People are going to stop following the challenge. Everything I built over the last 30 days is going to fall apart. But none of that happened. The video I already upload keep getting views. The subscribers I had already earned stay subscribed. The affiliate clicks I had already generated were still tracked in my dashboard. Everything kept moving slowly, quietly, even while I was completely out of action. That is the real lesson of this entire challenge. When you build something consistently over time, it develops a momentum of its own. It does not stop just because you do. And that momentum is what eventually turns into commission, into subscriber, and into real income. Build the foundation. The foundation keeps working even when you cannot. Here are the 4 most important lessons 30 days of consistent work taught me. Lesson 1. Thumbnails matter more than anything else in the early stage. The week I fixed my thumbnails, my views jumped significantly without posting a single new video. One change, immediate results. Lesson 2. Consistency compounds quietly. I went from 33 to 50 subscribers in 30 days, not because of one viral moment, but because I show up every single week without missing. Even when I was sick, even when I was exhausted afterward, even when nothing seems to be happening. Lesson 3. Affiliate link leads without sales means the funnel is working, but the trust is not fully there yet. More content, more consistency, more time, that is the answer. And it is completely normal at 30 days in. Lesson 4. Life will always try to get in the way. You will get sick, work will get busy, motivation will disappear. The only thing that matters is whether you came back every single time you came back. Here is what happened after 30 days. I am not stopping, not even close. The challenge is over, but the journey is not. I am continuing to document everything honestly, and I am going to keep going until I make the first commission. And then I am going to make a video showing you exactly what it takes to get there. My next goal is 100 subscriber and my first affiliate commission. And I am going to document every single step of getting there right here on this channel. If you have been following this challenge from the beginning, thank you. Genuinely, you keep me going on the hard days. You keep me going when I was sitting in bed wondering if any of this was worth it. And the answer after 30 days is yes, it is absolutely worth it. I want to end this video with one thing. I want you to take away from this entire 30-day challenge. Zero commissions in 30 days is not a failure, it is the foundation. 9.7 thousand views, 50 subscribers, real affiliate link leads, a channel that went from invisible to findable in search. Content that keep working even while I was sitting in bed. That is what 30 days of consistent honest work actually looks like. Not the highlight reel versions, not the overnight success story, the real version. If you are starting your affiliate marketing journey right now and you are worried it is taking too long, watch this video again because this is what it actually looks like and it is worth every single day. If this challenge resonates with you, subscribe because the journey continues and the first commission video is coming. You do not want to miss that one. Drop a comment below and tell me one thing. Was this 30-day challenge worth following? Yes or no? I read every single comment and I will reply to every single one personally. 30 days done, a few seed days survive, foundation build. Let's keep going. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.